You might be thinking, what are all the boxes behind me? And yes, you're right, we are moving today. It's a big day. Alexa, where did you go? Alex is in the other room, so she'll be fine. But yes, it's a big day for us today. We're actually moving to a new place today. It's a Saturday, and it all happened really fast actually. We weren't planning to move from this flat. As you guys know, we absolutely love the flat where we lived. However, this flat was a rental. We were renting this property, and sadly it got sold. So this was the first time in like 5 years that we've been in London where we didn't make a choice to move. It was kind of something that happened and we had to deal with and accept. I'm very excited to announce that we actually found a place that's like really close to this flat that looks very similar. So in a way, I'm very happy to be moving, because although this flat is so beautiful and perfect in so many ways, there's also so many little things that need to be renovated. Like all the doors don't properly close and the kitchen needs to be fully renovated. And yeah, in some ways I'm really excited to be moving to a new place. So last time we were moving and this time when we were moving, we got the service where the movers help you pack, and I'm so grateful we did it, especially if you have a little one. It is so helpful. So yesterday the movers came in to help us pack everything, basically our lives in all these boxes. And I just felt so emotional. It's the first time in many years, and Alex and I have been moving pretty much almost every year since we've been together, which is like over 10 years. It was the first time I actually felt kind of sad to be moving, because this is the place where I had Alexa and we shared so many new memories and we created so many new experiences as a family. Alexa, oh, she's here. Alexa, come here. You want to say hello? You want to say hello to my beautiful friends? Are you excited to be moving? Yeah? Oh, I'm so happy you're excited. I'm excited too. Just slightly emotional. I was just saying how, you know, because this place was very special for us. This is where 2 became 3 when we had Alexa.
Yeah, Alexa's first home.
Oh, I'm getting really emotional now.
Wow, you get emotional.
I did not expect it. But I mean, yesterday I like shed a few tears as well. But it's a beautiful thing to be able to also not attach to a place and realize that at the end of the day in life, home is where you go, where you are, the people that you're with. And yeah, just learning and also practicing non-attachment in life, which means not being attached to a place, to anything superficial and physical. Anyways, I have to run. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys the state of everything at the moment. So we've got all the boxes over there. Alexa is playing around with her stroller. So yeah, we have all the boxes. That's mainly clothes and stuff from the bedroom. The bed is still here. Then what do we have here? Alexa's room here was mainly packed already. So yeah, it's just her bed was still there. She might take a nap here today. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah, that's the tricky part.
Yeah, the tricky part is doing everything with the naps. Alexa, you wanna come here? Is that your helmet? Mommy. Mommy? What are you saying? Are we moving today? Yes? Okay, and then I'll show you guys the living room. Yep, all packed up. Yeah, like this side is what makes me emotional. I'm like, oh, it's the end of one chapter. And of course, the beginning of a new one. How do you feel, Alex?
As I said, we're watching our house tour from our last move. I don't have like too much attachment, or I don't mind moving. It's a new beginning, new start.
Well, actually, last time you said I love moving, so now it's like I don't mind. I guess.
Well, because with this place was special. However, I'm excited to I'm excited to create. I think even now with the new place, it's new. It challenges you to create something new, to shape something, and flex your muscle to be a little uncomfortable. So I'm totally cool with it.
Yeah, I completely agree. Also, the movers strictly instructed for me to get out of the house with Alexa, because it can be quite dangerous to have a toddler in the house running around while they're moving the boxes and all the heavy stuff. So Alexa and I are gonna get out of their way, go out for breakfast, while Alex will stay here, and then maybe he can join us for breakfast as well. But we're just waiting right now for them to get here. Alexa, what are you doing? She loves suitcases. Is that your suitcase? Yeah? Are you going traveling? Yes? You want to go on an airplane? What are you doing? Yeah? You want to go on an airplane? Yeah? Where do you want to go? Go? You want to see your grandma Lala? You want to see Lala? You want to fly to Canada? Excuse me. Can I have a little piece? Alexa, can I have a little piece of cheese? Can I have a little piece? So we're just having a little break at our favorite breakfast spot here in Notting Hill, Granger. And I'm so lucky I got a table almost right away because there's a massive lineup now outside.
What?
You can see it. Alexa loves this place too. They're very kid friendly.
Alexa friendly.
Oh my god, he ate so fast. Do you want to give him another crispy? So I think it's my fault that now Alexa has gotten into the habit of feeding any animal she sees on the street. Literally when she sees a squirrel or pigeon, she goes nyami, which in her language is like nom nom and yummy, but
food.
She made a new word,
Yummy.
nyami, which means food. She's like, mama, nyami,
Alice, you want
nyami."
more?
You want to feed the pigeon, so now she's feeding this pigeon over here, who already had her scrambled eggs and now having her crispies. Alexa, you want to give him the crispy? Yeah? You want to give it to pigeon? You want to give you a little piece to the pigeon? Oh, you want to eat it yourself? Okay, he already got one. Oh, he's going for it. Wow, that's a big piece.
He took it.
That's a big
Alex,
piece.
are you happy?
Are you happy?
Oh.
You want another crispy? Eat, eat. She said eat.
Eat?
Here. Oh, you want to? You're my pigeon? Are you a pigeon too? Yeah? She's such a big girl. I can't believe it. Alex, I can give you more. Leave that one for the pigeon, okay? Let's see if she eats it. Eat. You can eat it. She just said eat. Eat. You can eat it. Yeah. So we came back to the house for Alexa to have her nap, her last nap in this flat. And now she woke up, I just breastfed her, and basically we're gonna say our last goodbyes to this place before we go to the new house, which is literally just around the block. So I'm pretty excited about that. I can just walk there. But yeah, the place is empty. Alexa's just waiting for me to dress up. Alexa, what are you doing? Are you saying hi to the camera? She's just playing with her monitor. Is that your monitor? Yeah? So these are the last few things left here. It's basically my stuff. The living room is almost empty. So is the rest of the house. Goodbye, house. Alexa's room, almost completely empty, except for her bed where she just napped. Bedroom, empty. Bye. Are you ready to go? She woke up so happy, this little adventurous girl. Alexa. Alexa. Are you ready to go to the new house? Yeah? You ready to go to our new home? Yes? She's taking me. Okay, guys, we gotta go. All right, so I just got to the new flat. It's a bit of a mess right now, obviously, because we're moving. And there's so many boxes everywhere. And we're also renovating, so the floors are not done yet. They still have to be sealed on the sides. Here we still have carpets because this flat was all carpeted. This is gonna be our bedroom. My goodness, such a mess. Oh, so lots of work to do. I'm gonna go ahead and do it now and show you guys some of it later. So I've started unpacking the kitchen, and yeah, it feels a little overwhelming right now, but I know it's gonna be fine. It always feels this way on the day of moving. So many boxes. And this is literally what's happening while we're moving in. The living room is also getting painted. So it's evening now. I'm not really sure what time it is. It is almost 8 p.m. and I haven't vlogged the rest of our unpacking process because it was really crazy. As I told you guys this morning, we got a special service because we knew with Alexa it's gonna be very hard. You know, once you have a kid, it's like you can't just tell them, oh, sit down, I have to unpack. Like, you have to pay attention to them. So we knew with her, it's gonna be definitely worth it to get the service where the movers actually help you unpack everything.
I still don't know how the sound is, so.
Yeah, she's sleeping now, thank God. That was the plan, is for the movers to help us unpack everything.
We got like premium movers. We paid premium to unpack, and it was a total disaster. So it was pretty crazy, but
it was like 3 p.m., maybe like even 2:50 p.m. And I'm like taking my time, unpacking, organizing everything. And there's like 4 guys basically who helped us move. And then one of the guys...
Actually 5.
Was it 5?
But they're like, I was surprised how slow Ashley was going. I'm like, oh, in the morning I was like 5 guys. These guys will like nail it out like no time. It'll be like by noon they'll be done. And they were just like really slow. And then at 2:50, basically the main guy. Yeah, 2:50, one of the guys like, okay, we are going. I'm like, what? I'm like, what do you mean you're going? Like, literally, like the rooms are full of boxes. I started unpacking already. I was like, okay, these guys are kind of slow. I'll help them out because like it's in my interest.
Yeah, we weren't even supposed to help them out, but obviously we wanted to speed up the process.
And he's like, yeah, I'm leaving. I'm like, no, you're not. I'm like, there's rooms full of boxes. Like, I don't care. He's like, we're leaving. So I had to like.
I think it was some kind of a miscommunication. I'm not really sure exactly
I then
what
spoke
happened.
to the guy. Like, they're actually supposed to leave at 4. Technically, they could have been done at 4 if they actually were like working.
Yeah.
And yeah. Anyway, so one of the guys he just didn't have a good attitude, and he kind of ruined it for everybody.
Mismanagement of their time.
Yeah, it was not properly like led. There was no leader. And if that guy was a leader, it would have been sad for the team.
Yeah.
So one of the guys was really nice in the end, but
actually all of them except for the guy who like basically looked like he didn't want to be here. Didn't want to be doing this job anyways.
But anyways, Mimi was able to talk to them at least. I
just told them, guys, like I don't care for you to help me unpack. Just please help me open the boxes and take all the boxes, because it's the worst thing when you're moving, when after you unpacked everything you have like hundreds of these not hundreds, but I don't know, dozens of these boxes all over the house, so you can't actually feel like you moved in, and then like you have to find a place to recycle these boxes, and these guys, they know where to take all these boxes. They have a massive truck, so it's a no-brainer.
It was like a truck full of boxes.
Yeah, so I said, guys, please just like let's open the boxes, take everything out, drop it where it is, and just like take the boxes. And they were like, okay, cool, we'll do it.
And technically it would have been cool, like they were supposed to earliest they were supposed to finish this 4.
Anyways,
long story short, like everything just got dumped on the floor.
It looked like the whole house exploded with stuff.
Like it happened
and
to
like
us, it happened to us last year. The thing is, last year, well, it wasn't as bad, and we didn't get an unpacking service.
Not last year, but 2 years ago, before Alexa was born. Yeah. So yeah, the whole house exploded with stuff, and Yeah, you think you're minimalistic and then you look at the amount of stuff you own and it's like, I want to donate everything. I don't want to have any of the stuff.
Yeah, actually one of the lessons is what we should have done.
Yes,
Mimi said.
I know what you're gonna say.
We didn't purge before.
We usually do,
Yeah.
but I just didn't have time.
Yeah.
I didn't prioritize it. So now I'm gonna be purging as I'm organizing and putting stuff in the cupboards and closets, and there's so much to do. Actually, the rest of the house is pretty good, especially Alexa's room is perfect now, and our bedroom is probably the only explosive room at the moment, and the washroom is just like there's no space to put anything, so I have to figure out like the whole storage situation.
But we
yeah,
have to
this
clean
room
this
is
up
probably
because
the worst. You should just show like the amount of stuff everywhere. And this is the room where the floors haven't been done yet, so this room still has carpets, but that's gonna be changed on Monday. Today's Saturday, so yeah, we gotta go back to putting everything back and organizing.
yeah, because I can't really sleep like this.
Definitely not. So it is about 11:30 now.
11:15.
Okay, well, about. And yeah, I feel so sleepy. The mess is gone. You can see the evidence in the background. Good teamwork.
It was mostly Mimi.
But it's like a puzzle, honestly, when you have all the stuff and it's all like scattered around the room. You have to like make small piles from the big pile and then even smaller piles, and then slowly you start to see the end of it, and now it's all gone.
Yeah, so if you want to solve a big problem, you should go piece by piece.
That's a good analogy. I like that.
Yeah. Yeah, so you see, that's just the bedding and
Yeah.
the chair.
But this whole room is going to be repainted. Right now it's sort of like a gray
Gray.
color. It's going to be repainted
White.
white. We're going to put hardwood floors here. So it's going to look a lot different than what it is now. Have to stay patient, and now we're just going to go to sleep. There's still more work to do around the house, but that's going to have to wait till tomorrow. Good night.